Auzubillahi minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. This is 16th lecture of your progressive English unit 3 mysteries. Today we are going to teach Dawood's Ride, a true story. Open your book on page number 76. Here is Dawood's Ride, a true story. Urdu means दाऊद की सवारी, एक सच्ची कहानी. This one is Dawood and his bicycle that he got when he passed his class 8th examination with excellent standard. Now come on paragraph 1. When Dawood passed his class 8th examination with flying colors, mean with excellent standard, his father gave him a bicycle as reward. Reward mean inam. With its dynamo light. Dynamo mean choti machine. Light. Dynamo light. And its shiny handlebar. It was Dawood's pride. Pride mean fakhr and joy. He went everywhere on it. During term time mean here पढ़ाई के दिनों में Dawood stayed with his grandparents so that he could attend the school just 2 miles from their home. And each morning he rode like the wind to school. As he rode hard and fast, he imagine mean तसव्वुर करना. He was riding the cloud, जैसे वो बादलों में सवारी कर रहा है, like a kite rider, जिस तरह के एक पतंग सवार. And he was always arrived at school full of energy and enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is a mean जोश व खरोश for his lessons. Come on next page number 76, paragraph 2. Dawood was the eldest son in his family, and his parents, younger brother and sister, lived 30 miles away from his grandparents' home on a small farm in the village where Dawood had been born. Although he was happy at school and he loved his grandparents dearly. Dearly mean aziz, प्यारे. He missed his family, particularly खास तौर पर his baby sister, nanny sister. About twice a time on a Sunday, he would ride the 30 miles to his family village to see his family. Now come on next paragraph. One Sunday he did what he usually mean आम तौर पर did before the long ride to his family. He checked his tires for air and tested his brake and his dynamo. Early in the morning he kissed his grandparents goodbye and told them he would be back well before midnight and set off on his journey. He rode as hard as gale force wind. As gale force wind mean here तेज आंधी की तरह उसने साइकिल राइड की. Pumping the pedals with his strong muscles and youthful energy and slowing only occasionally. Occasionally mean from time to time. उर्दू mean वक्तन फवक्तन. To wipe mean साफ करना. His face as heat of the day increased. Increased mean बढ़ना. Paragraph 4. When he arrived at his village, his family came out to welcome him, and his little sister ran alongside his bicycle laughing. The villagers shared the feast his parents and provided for him rice with chickens, which had been cooking slowly all morning, observing the delicate mean excellent, spices mean misale, which Dawood loved so much, and his mother's special dal. And afterwards there were sweet spices, cakes and mangoes. उसके दाऊद के जो गांव वाले थे, उनके दाऊद के पेरेंट्स ने जो उसके लिए दावत का एहतमाम किया था, उसमें गांव वाले भी शरीक हुए, जिनमें चावलों के साथ मुर्ग का गोश्त जो सारी सुबह आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पकता हुआ और उम्दा मिसालें जज्ब करता रहा, जो दाऊद को बहुत पसंद था, और उसकी अम्मी की ख़ास दाल, और बाद में मिठाई मिसालेदार केक और आम आए. Dawood played with his sisters, let his sisters ride his brother ride his bicycle around the village. Dandled means students झूलाना. Dandled his baby sister on his knee, यानी अपने घुटनों पे अपनी छोटी जो नन्ही सी बहन थी उसको झूला झुलाया. And told his parents about everything he had been learning at school. Dawood felt that his life could not be better. Come on paragraph 5. However, However, all too soon it was time for to set off back to his grandparents' home. He had to back well before midnight became. He had to get up for school early the next day. Daud's mother gave him spicy cake to eat on the way. He kissed all his brother and sister and set out. The road was rough and pitted around the village, but soon it became smoother and Daud rode as though he was on a racing track. It was cooler and the sun was setting in a blaze. Blaze mean a very large burning fire. Blaze mean a very large burning fire. Blaze, glorious colors. Glorious colors mean shandar color. The ride was going well until suddenly Daud felt a shuddering and he knew he had a puncture. यानी अचानक उसका टायर जो था वो पंक्चर हो गया. If he rode his bicycle in that condition, he knew he would ruin the wheel. So he had to walk with it for over a mile to the next village where villagers patched his tire for him. यानी वो एक साथ वाले गांव में गया और वहाँ पे टायर का जो पंक्चर हो गया था वो उसने रिपेयर करवाया. He was soon on his way again, but by now it was dark and Daud knew he would not be back with his grandparents before midnight. He never felt quite so confident riding in the dark despite his dynamo light. यानी अपनी लाइट की वजह से वो कॉन्फिडेंट था इस डार्कनेस में. Now come on paragraph 6. Nevertheless, putting every ounce of his remaining energy and strength into his riding, Daud flew through the darkness, his light throwing up strange shapes and shadows. Suddenly he felt a fear creeping. Creeping mean ringna. Creeping around his heart. His wheels were not gripping the road. Instead, they were sliding as though he was on an ice ring. His dynamo light changed into a powerful search beam, casting its light far ahead. Bewildered. Bewildered mean great confused. Bewildered mean great confused. उर्दू मीन चकराया हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा, हैरत ज़्यादा. He saw a huge figure with staring. Staring means students घूरना. Come on next page, page number 77. Red eyes step out of the shadows. The figure was wearing a luminous bright yellow T-shirt and a cloth wrapped around the rest of his body. He signaled to Daud to stop. उसने दाऊद को सिग्नल किया रुकने के लिए. Daud almost reached with terror. Terror mean दहशत. Felt that his hideous mean horrible to see. Hideous mean horrible to see. Hideous figures was some kind of horrible track, खौफनाक track. So with his breath coming in heaving gasps like that of a marathon runner, he slowed down but then suddenly sped fast. Sped mean raftar. Sped fast as he neared the figure. Daud saw the red eyes recede into the back shadow. Recede means students go back. Recede mean go back. जैसे वो दीवनुमा एक भूतनुमा शक्ल ने उस दाऊद को रुकने का इशारा किया, सिग्नल किया, तो दाऊद ने ऐसे शो किया जैसे वो उसने अपनी स्पीड जो है वो स्लो कर दी और रुकने लगा. लेकिन जैसे वो इस भूत के साथ आए, नज़दीक आया है, तो उसने अचानक अपनी स्पीड जो है वो तेज़ कर दी, यानी भाग निकला था वो. Rest of the story we will teach in next lecture inshallah. That is paragraph 7, 8 and 9, and question and answer we will do inshallah. Words meaning. First word is occasionally, from time to time. Delicate. Delicate mean excellent. Hideous, horrible to see. Loom, appear. Lope mean run in long, easy strides. Utter, say. Rasp, harsh grating sound. And recede mean go back. Your homework is, students, you have to read page number 75 and 76 2 or 3 times, and also you have to learn the meaning of the difficult word. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.